everything. Okay, so you can add a new property and value to an object by just giving it the property using dot notation or bracket notation, and then just using an assignment operator with the value. You can also delete properties from a JavaScript object by using the delete keyword. So let's say that you want to delete a property. So you just use delete and then the property name. So let's say we do delete and we do warrior dot age. So now if I did console.log warrior dot age, age would be undefined. Let's see. Hopefully that's true. So undefined. Cool. Yeah, they're really easy to build. Mm-hmm. And yeah. Well, you have to do some checks, like if this person already has this and all that stuff. But it's actually pretty easy. Ooh, check out Firebase. It's really easy to build games, multiplayer games, using Firebase, Google's new database. Check it out on your spare time. Yeah, and you guys are designers, so you guys can do all that. Yeah, so you can do everything. You guys are unicorns. Yeah, but I mean, you guys could build your whole game on your own. I can't do that. I need you guys to build out the assets and then me to implement them. Well, I mean, yeah, okay. Yeah, or .io or something. I mean, it's Google's Firebase. It's like their database. It's super easy to use. Super easy to use. Firebase? It's a it's a non-SQL, it's a NoSQL database that uses JavaScript to enter data into a database. And well, read, update, destroy, create, read, update, and destroy data. CRUD. As a database to store data, to store and retrieve data, huh? Oh, you probably could. Check out if Firebase and PhoneGap are compatible. Alright, so now we're going to use objects for lookups. Not seeing a lot of posts? Oh, wow. Nice. Check out PhoneGap build and Firebase. This one's not that important. Using objects for... Well, actually it is. Okay. Objects can be thought of as a key value storage, like a dictionary. So you can actually store a bunch of information in an object and then retrieve it. So they're just saying, like, this is one way to retrieve it. I don't think this part's actually that important. But the concept of being able to use the properties and values to store information is important. Because we're going to use JavaScript objects to store data later on. And not just like for the sake of like objects for gaming or something like that. We're going to store data in there to transfer data for other places. Holy crap, this is taking a long time. My computer was doing this last time too. Seriously. Wow. So this is actually an important one. There is a method called hasOwnProperty that determines if that object has the given property name. So let's say that you want to check to see if there is a property of a certain thing inside your object. So let's say we say warrior.hasOwn property, and the property name is name. I think that's right. Yeah. No, not that one. So now we run this. Yes, it's going to return true or false. If it doesn't freeze my computer first. So it says this is false. Is it taking a string? Oh, it does take in a string. Okay. So you have to put it in a string format. True. Okay, so I checked to see if the name property exists inside Warrior. And yes, it does exist. So it says true. So if I put in Boogie Woogie, do you think that's going to exist? Or it's going to say true or false? False. Case sensitive, yeah. False. So that's just to check if there's that property exists inside the object. Alright, so I want you guys to try these out. Adding new properties, deleting properties, using objects for lookups,